Hello guys, welcome to Andy Brothers. In this video, I will tell you how to get subscription for PLURALSIGHT, DataCamp and AZURE for free. So let's get started. So firstly, you have to open your Google Chrome browser and search for Visual Studio. So open that, and after searching for Visual Studio, you have to click on the first link. Now after opening this page, you have to just click on subscriber access. Let me click on this. So the page will open. It is taking a moment. So here are various products which are provided by Visual Studio for free. So we are here for PLURALSIGHT, DataCamp, and you can also get LinkedIn Learning for 1 month premium subscription and PLURALSIGHT for free for 1 month, DataCamp 2 month subscription, and community services are also provided here for free. So you can get Visual Studio App Center, Power Apps. These products are provided for free by Visual Studio. You have to just make an account here. So guys, this is the video. So I have shown you the various products which Visual Studio provide, which you can use for learning. So if you want me to show how to activate this and create an account, that is very easy task guys. You can do it on your own also. So thank you guys for watching. Keep supporting, keep loving. Thanks.